All 9 people on board a plane carrying skydivers died yesterday when it crashed near a Swedish airport. The aircraft, which was said to be carrying 8 skydivers along with 1 pilot, went down outside Örebro at around 7:20 p.m. on Thursday, local media reveal. One person sustained serious injuries and was rushed to hospital, Swedish newspaper Göteborgs-Posten reports, but died later. The small propeller plane came down roughly 100 meters away from an airstrip, sparking a fire to break out at the scene. 10 ambulances were among the emergency services rushing to the incident. The fire has now been put out. Carl Johan Lind, press manager at the Swedish Maritime Administration, said that the plane crashed near to the runway fairly soon after taking off. The aircraft had been rented for the week from Skåne Parachute Club, it is believed. Sweden's Prime Minister Stefan Löfven has paid tribute to the victims following the disaster. He tweeted, "It is with great sadness and dismay that I have tonight taken part in the tragic information about the plane crash in Örebro. I am thinking of the victims, their families and loved ones in this very difficult time. I want to express my deepest sympathy for their grief. Swedish police said on their website it was a very severe accident in which several people have died. The Joint Rescue Coordination Center told TT News Agency the plane was carrying skydivers.